Okay, so here's another example. This again, let's do greatest to least. Okay, and I kind of ran out of room, but let's rewrite these vertically. 26 decimal 0.999. 26.199. And try to keep your numbers lined up the best you can. A 25.99, and then a 26.1909. Okay? So we kept all of our numbers lined up the best we can. Wherever there's a gap, just put a 0 in there just so that it all looks good. Okay, and we're going greatest to least, so we're looking for the biggest number. Okay, so we look at the first row. Looks like everybody's a 2, so we're tied. The second row, we have 3 6s and a 5. We're going from greatest to least. The whole number 25 is not anywhere close. So let's go ahead and honor him with the 4th place position, because he's the smallest number, he's the least amount, and we're going from greatest to least. So sad to say, but he's no longer in the race. Okay, so here we go. We're tied. We've got a 1 and a 1 versus a 0. Okay, so a flag went up. I'm going to think that that's going to be our lowest number, but let's not kick him out of the game yet, okay? But for this instance, let's just play between these two numbers. We're tied at 2, 2, tied at 6 and 6, tied at 1 and 1, tied at 9 and 9. That 9 and 0, the 9 being bigger, beat out the 0. Since we're going greatest to least, let's give this guy the 3rd place trophy, okay? All right, so the race is now between these two numbers here, because these guys have already been awarded a position and they're no longer in it. Okay, so here goes the race. We're tied. There's the decimal. It's lined up. A 0 versus a 1. And we're looking for the greatest number. The 1 is bigger than a 0. So kind of like what I was thinking, this guy's going to come in the lower position. So the 26.1990 just came in first place, because we're going from greatest to least. We're tied at the first 2s. We're tied at the 6s. The 1 is bigger than the 9. So it's the only 2 in the race. So we've got to award this number here in 2nd place. Okay, now your teacher may want you to rewrite this again long ways, but which is fine. Just write it, follow the directions on what they want you to do. But I hope this has helped you try to figure this out. And the only other thing I can stress is, look at the whole number or the number to the left of the decimal, and make sure that it's not obvious right off the bat which one's bigger or smaller. This one it was because we had a whole number of 25, and it was in a race against 26s. So again, Sandites, I hope this helped you out. Like, subscribe, contact me if you have any questions or comments, and I'll see you at school.